Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today I've got a quick video for you. A couple weeks ago, Grill Rescue sent me their brush. Wanted to see what my opinions are of it, and so I'm going to give it a bit of a run through today and see how it does. I'm going to be cleaning my Yoder YS 640 pellet smoker. I've done several cooks on it and haven't really thoroughly cleaned the grill grates. So we're going to use the Grill Rescue brush on the Yoder YS 640 today. One of the benefits of this grill brush is safety. There's no wire bristles, there's nothing like that that's going to break off, get into your food, and ultimately get into your digestive system and cause you a quick trip to the emergency room. Really cool, but we're going to see how it works, because if it doesn't work, well, there's really no reason for you to purchase it, right? You can check these out at thegrillrescue.com. I will also have an Amazon affiliate link in the description box below. So go check that out, click on that. That'll take you to Amazon and give you an affiliate link. That'll help out the channel as well. So I appreciate it. We're fixing to show you what the grill grates look like now. They're not super nasty, but they do need to be cleaned. We'll show you it before, we'll show you the actual cleaning process, and we'll show you what they look like afterwards. This process with the Grill Rescue brush works off a steam concept. So you need to have your grill hot. So after a cook, for example, keep your grill on, and while it's hot, you want to clean it with the Grill Rescue. I didn't do a cook today, so I just fired mine back up at 350 degrees. That's what I've got it set on, and now we're fixing to get the cleaning done. Let's get to it. Alright guys, there you have it. I have to admit I was a little bit skeptical. I really wasn't sure how this thing was going to work, but the steam action is what makes this thing really effective. Some other brushes I feel like I'm just kind of smearing the grease around the grill grates. This actually takes it off with that steam action, and I really like it. As you can see, it did a really good job. So I'll be using this a lot more, and it's a lot safer. So again, check them out, thegrillrescue.com, and there will be an Amazon affiliate link in the description box. Till next time, we'll be piddling. See you guys.